Hi, I'm Katie with Picture Perfect Lawn Maintenance. Thank you for taking the time to take a look at our Picture Perfect programs that we have available to make sure that our clients are able to have the services that they want for the prices that they have in mind. Of our three programs, the Prime, Premier, and Pristine, the Pristine program is the highest amount of coverage in that it is our full maintenance option. Like the Prime program, the Pristine program covers the health of your lawn, and like the Premier program, it also adds in the maintenance of the lawn with a mowing service. However, what sets it apart from the other two is that the Pristine program covers general flower bed maintenance, such as yearly mulch installation and seasonal pruning. Where the health of your lawn is concerned, the Pristine program, like all of our other ones, covers a soil sample in which we take a sample of soil and get it evaluated to monitor the progress of the nutrients and pH involved, which directly impact the health of your lawn. It also covers a 7-stage fertilization program that covers not only fertilizer but also pre- and post-emergent weed control and a lime application each year. And it covers a yearly aeration seeding service provided in the fall to make sure that your fescue population is kept sustainable and healthy. Like the Premier program, the mowing service that's provided is covered throughout the growing season and is scheduled on a weekly basis to make sure that your lawn stays groomed and healthy throughout the season. This not only covers mowing, but also covers edging, trimming, and blowing so that your entire lawn areas are kept clean and picture perfect. To make the Pristine program a full-service option, it provides a spring mulch installation in which we prepare the beds for mulch by cleaning out any weeds and debris before installing mulch 2 to 3 inches thick of your choice and color to make sure that your flower beds are also picture perfect. We additionally provide seasonal pruning in the spring, summer, and fall of any ornamental growth that requires pruning as appropriate for its species. As needed, we're able to also do winter pruning services for ornamental plants such as crepe myrtles, roses, hydrangeas, and others, so that these are maintained as well based on your preference. While the Pristine program is our highest coverage option in terms of these standard programs, we do offer supplemental packages like the Plus program as seen here that allow you to add in things like grub control, disease control, and nuts edge control to make sure that your lawn is covered even more thoroughly. If you have any questions about the Pristine program or any others, please be sure to contact our office, ask one of our representatives, and get set up for an estimate so that your lawn can be guaranteed as picture perfect this season.